3 reasons that I changed my life by starting an online business. The first reason I decided to learn how to start an online business and to reinvent myself was really because I had to. At age 50, I found myself widowed and bankrupt, and I needed to start over. I had a corporate job and I could have stayed there and played it safe, but I didn't feel like it really was safe. And I could work until I was 70 or so and retire, and then what? Or I could take control of my future now by learning some new skills that would serve me in, let's face it, this new digital economy we're in. The second reason I started an online business and decided that that was for me was because I knew I wanted grandchildren and I want to be physically present in their lives and my kids' lives. My own mother had just told me of just how painful it was for her to live and to work far away while her grandkids, my kids, were growing up. And I don't want to feel that kind of regret. And the third reason that I was willing to learn some new skills and to stretch outside my comfort zone and try something new was because I wanted to do work that was meaningful to me, that would bring purpose and fulfillment into my life. Not to mention the fact that there are actually some things I'd like to go see and do in this life while I'm still young enough to go see and do them. We all have things we'd like to achieve in our lives, and we have to be willing to make big decisions about what we're willing to do to make those things happen. We need this big vision of what we want for our life that keeps us going and that is bigger than our fear of not doing it. I think everyone from time to time thinks about, I really should make some changes or I'm going to regret it, but few people ever really do anything about it. If you can relate and if you're at a place where you're ready to do something about it, I really want to share with you some video workshops that changed everything for me. They're free and they'll explain how starting an online business can be the vehicle to take you from where you are right now, even if you have no business skills or experience or any tech skills to speak of, to where you want to be by leveraging the internet. These video workshops, they're shot and they're published by the founder of the company, and his name is Stuart, and he'll explain the different business models that are available to anyone and everyone online and how you could turn your passion into a paycheck. He'll also provide some straight talk on what it really takes to build a real business online and bust some of the myths that are out there, because no one is promising a push-button solution to building wealth. But when you click the link somewhere on this video and enter your name and email address on the next page, then I'll be able to send these free workshops straight to your inbox. Imagine waking up every day, like I do now, with a new lease on life because you truly love your life, you love your work, and the people that you get to share your life and your work with. And that kind of life doesn't just happen. It has to be designed. If you want your life to be different, then you have to be willing to do something different first. So that one actionable step that you can take right now is to click through to the next page, enter your name and email address, and I'll be speaking with you on the other side. And I can't wait to help you turn your dreams into a reality.